officially been living at this hot springs resort for 3 weeks, and in that amount of time we've only gone into town once because it's a 30-minute drive. So we kind of plan strategically when we're gonna go in and get groceries and actually do laundry. But in the meantime, we do laundry right at the bus, and I'm gonna show you how. We have this little laundry bag. It's called Desi Truck, and we used it a lot in Montana. It only holds like a small load of laundry, which is fine. So yeah, you just put your clothes in it, and then you fill it to about here with water. Put your soap in. It comes with this little plunger, so once the clothes and the water is in there, you just plunge it for a good 3 to 5 minutes, and you rinse and repeat, and it basically cleans the laundry just with manual labor instead of using a washing machine. We usually just do like 12 to 15 pieces of clothing. So like we'll wash all of our work shirts, obviously. We just bought these laundry detergent sheets. They are eco-friendly. I haven't used this particular brand yet. We were using Mrs. Green before, and they lasted us like 8 months. I mean, this says 200 loads, so oh, and these smell pretty good. They smell really natural, but I like them. We also bought like 100 clothespins because we were just like hanging our clothes over the line before, which like the wind would blow them away. So I had this little bag laying around, and I just put them all in here. Perfect. So we've got it filled to about here. Now we're gonna go fill it with water. So here's our water spigot. Here's the laundry detergent sheets going in. We usually do like a few. Plunger. And you just start going at it. So the water is pretty cloudy. I don't know if I can even lift this to show y'all. But then you just kind of roll this and buckle it so it makes like a handle, and you try your best to bring it over here. Undo this little guy and hope that it all goes down the sewer tube. If you don't have a sewer tube, then obviously you can like dump it out in nature away from water sources, obviously. Once that's all out, we'll usually do it one more time. Next is the hard part. We have to wring out the clothes by hand. Round 3. All right, laundry is drying. This isn't fruit of the week or anything, but we did get a soda stream yesterday, so I'm gonna make myself a little salsa. I think this is gonna save us a lot of money in the long run because we were buying like the canned seltzers for over a year, and those are fine, but most of them have natural flavors in them, which is not great for you. It's obviously not the worst thing you can ingest, but like if you can avoid natural flavors, you probably should. But this is so easy. Just pops right in, and then you've got your seltzer water. So we just spent the past hour or so talking with an insurance agent because our insurance drops us in about a week. So we actually got through to somebody and they're going to insure the bus after calling literally any insurance agency you could think of. We got State Farm, but not all State Farm insurance agents will insure you. You have to go through a certain person, and it's not an easy process. Although they made it easy once we got to these people, but it was a lot of calling 1-800 numbers and being on hold, and you know the whole deal. It's always a fun time. But now I'm going to start food prepping for the week. I guess meal prepping, actually. That's something Ian and I have been doing since we're working a lot now at this hot springs resort. So, and we're trying to just stay conscious of what we're putting in our bodies. This week we have some asparagus. Last week we used broccoli as our vegetable. We got a pack of chicken, and I think I'll do some quinoa for the starch or the grain or whatever. We did rice last week. Seasoned them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and now I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon juice. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. There we go, maybe. Alright, now I'm just gonna stick these in the oven until they're done. Not really following any recipes, so we'll just see. Quinoa's cooking. I'm gonna go check on the laundry while the food's cooking. These feel dry. Dry. These always take forever. Here's all the laundry. I always forget that when you do laundry, you have to put it away too. And you actually have to do that when you live in a bus because there's no space. And this is what our front seat usually looks like. We actually did a huge Amazon order the other day. And we got these little steps for the side of the bus because we can't afford a $300 ladder. They flip out just like this, Can you focus? Thanks. So they screw onto the side of the bus, and then you just put your foot right on there. And we got 5 of those with a little handle to like pull yourself up. And we also got a tape measure because I don't know where ours went. I want to show you guys what I've been working on. Ian made homemade chicken chow mein. Woo. By the way, if you want the inside scoop on what is really going on in our lives, you gotta check out our Patreon. We have a few patrons, but we're so grateful for them. They support us in more ways than they know. So Kevin, Jill, Kate, Lori, we love you guys. Thank you so much. And the link is in the description below.
Can't even buy it in the grocery store. I feel like buy it offline.
Gonna be a pretty sunset. That's the best part about this place. It's got the best sunsets. Calm before the Memorial Day storm. This whole field will probably be packed. Wish us luck. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you guys next week. Love you.
Bye.